Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a simple and very quick earring pattern. This project is perfect if you are short on time but still want to make something beautiful. Let's dive right in. These are the materials needed. If you need the materials I used in this video, you can check the links in the description box below. Let's get started with the tutorial. Start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring. And in the first round, chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop. And then we need to work 16 double crochets into the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets over here. Like that we will continue. This is the 3rd double crochet. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I feel like the magic ring is too big for me. So we can just pull this tail a little to make the magic ring smaller. And then we can continue the work. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Now I have completed all the double crochets, and then we can pull the tail tight to close the magic ring like this. After that we will work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet here to join. So insert the hook onto the stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the first round of the work. Before we get started with the second round, I wanted to let you all know about something exciting. I've just launched my Patreon page where you can get access to exclusive crochet patterns and early access to my tutorials before they are posted here on YouTube. If you have been enjoying my videos and want to support the channel while getting some awesome perks in return, Patreon is a great way to do that. You'll find different tiers that suit everyone. Plus, by joining my Patreon, you'll be helping me continue to create more tutorials and bring even more creative ideas to life. I'd love to have you as part of my crochet community. You can find the link to my Patreon in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. This is what we have completed so far, and then chain 1 to start with round 2 and work 1 single crochet into the same base stitch over here. So insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Again work an increase into the second stitch here, which means we need to work 2 single crochets into the same stitch, 1 and 2. This is an increase. Again work 1 single crochet into the next stitch and and increase into the stitch after that. 1 and 2. Again repeat the pattern. Work 1 single crochet into the first stitch and an increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Again repeat the pattern. Work 1 single crochet into the first stitch and an increase into the second stitch. 1 and 2. Like that we will just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of the round, and I'm going to work an increase into the very last stitch here as well. 1 and 2. With that we have completed the round. And then I'm going to leave a little tail for sewing and cut the yarn off. And then I will show you how to join the round. I'm going to use the yarn needle for that. So thread the yarn needle and we will go into the second stitch over here, skip the first stitch and insert the needle into the second stitch here, and then go back to the last stitch of the round so that it will create a stitch on top of the first single crochet of the round. You can see that the finishing is very neat here. And then we will just hide the tail using the yarn needle like this. Now I have completed the crochet part of the earring. You can just repeat the same process and complete the other one as well. Now I have completed 2 pieces over here. And then I will show you how to complete the earrings by using the pliers. First we take the jump ring, open it up using the pliers and insert that into a stitch like this. After that we will slide the hook ear wire also in and secure that with the pliers. Now we have completed one of the earrings. We will just repeat the process and complete the other one as well. And there you have it, a quick and simple pair of crochet earrings, perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun crochet ideas. Also check out my Patreon for exclusive patterns and early access to my tutorials. See you in the next video.